What was your best I am the manager moment? I worked in management at a theater for a while. If the concession counter was slammed and I was able, I'd leave my post and help them sling popcorn. One night, while helping out, a particularly belligerent man started cussing out a 16-year-old girl on a cash register for being too slow, even suggesting she quit since she clearly couldn't handle pushing buttons or scooping popcorn. It was pretty disgusting, and I felt so bad for the girl. I stepped in and told the guy that our employees have the right to refuse service to customers who harass them as part of our anti-harassment/discrimination policy, emphasized that the lines were longer than usual, and suggested he should apologize and move on. He was pissed, left half his order on the counter and started fuming off. Anticipating his next move, I went back to my original post that night as the manager of the customer service kiosk. Oh boy, the look on his face when he saw me was incredible. He didn't want a refund of his tickets though, so I assume he watched the movie without popcorn.